What's going on? This is Repair Talk. I am Jonathan. We are working on the Tab 4 charge port today. This repair only requires some strong fingernails and a Phillips screwdriver. If you do not have strong fingernails or lack fingernails truly altogether, then some guitar picks will work, but it is much easier with fingernails. Just want to stick a fingernail into the crevice between the silver rim and the white plastic back. Other cases, this could be black, depending on the color of your tablet. And as you move that fingernail across the bezel of this device, you will start to hear a click sound as it starts to pop open. Once this is done, you'll be able to remove that back housing. So you just want to remove the captain's tape, set it to the side. Remember to put it back in place, as I did not actually in this video. I had to actually go back and put it in place. It truly only just keeps the flex cables in place and can keep debris and stuff from causing a short circuit if somehow debris gets in there. You just want to pull up on that little lever, pull out the flex cable, simply put. Once that's done, you'll be able to go ahead and remove these screws at the bottom. Now, because the charge port also houses the microphone for the voice control and any other related apps and the home button flex, you'll have to unplug this little tiny flex cable here. Then you'll be able to remove that little guard that we just removed the screws from, and then gently lift up on that charge port and remove it from the device. In this instance, and I'd say most instances with this device and replacing the charge port, is going to be held down by adhesive. You can use a pair of flat tweezers to kind of gently pry up under that flex cable connector. Once that's done, you should be able to grab that flex cable and just pull the whole daughter board out. Now, what you just did, do in reverse, simply put. Because Samsung actually gives a shit about their devices, you'll notice my battery is still plugged in. Because there's no reason for short circuiting, because I don't have the device on and there's nothing plugged into the charge port, I don't have to worry about blowing a capacitor. Now, before I go through any painful removing of that back housing again with my fingernails, I'm gonna, test this charge port and make sure it works. Once that's done, make sure your screws are nice and tight. That way this new charge port doesn't easily break. Put that back housing back on and start to snap it down. This right here is not truly easy. If you push too hard, you can break the screen. If you don't push hard enough, it's not going to pop together. find the in-between. Once you get it together, boom, repair complete. So as always, guys, I definitely want to thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. There will be more videos in the future, but only if I get your subscriptions. Have a great night.